Teaching is a one-on-one communication between me and the student. Now, there may be 10 students or 100 students or 1,000 students in the room, but it's a one-on-one communication because as you and I are talking now, imagine that you had 3 people sitting next to you, but you'd only be hearing me with your ears. You'd only be seeing me with your eyes. So from your perspective, the fact that there's other people in the room is irrelevant, which means that when I'm teaching, even if I'm looking at a class filled with students, it's a one-on-one conversation between me and each student. So I use words like you and me. I use inclusive words. I use words that imply that it's just the 2 of us, because really, the only person in the classroom that's important is you. Everybody else is just sort of the crowd, but it's you. You're the one that's important, and you're the one that I'm trying to reach. You know, when you try this, or look at how this works, or isn't this really cool? Watch this roof here, and I move them out. Look at that, it's so cool, is that? And it's you and it's me celebrating this moment of triumph as we do something that we haven't been able to do before.